Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal. When was the last time you woke up in the morning, stretched your arms, and felt that natural spark of energy, not just in your mind, but in your body? I'm talking about the kind of vitality that makes you feel strong, alive, and ready for anything. For many men over 50, that feeling has quietly faded, and you may have blamed age, thinking, well, this is just how it is now. But here's the surprising truth. It's not just about age. It's about fuel. The first thing you put into your body in the morning doesn't just fill your stomach. It sets the stage for your circulation, your testosterone, your stamina, and yes, your performance in the bedroom. The right morning choices can literally keep your fire burning. The wrong ones, they can slowly drain it. So stick with me until the very end, because today I'm going to reveal 3 powerful morning foods backed by science that help men over 50 boost vitality, protect circulation, and keep performance strong. And before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Tap the like button if you care about your health. Comment below and let me know where you're watching from. I love seeing the community we're building here. And don't forget to subscribe, because each week I share tips that could literally add quality years to your life. All right, let's bust a big myth first. Here's the myth: breakfast doesn't matter. Many men grab coffee, maybe a piece of toast, or skip it altogether, thinking the body will somehow just figure it out. But that couldn't be further from the truth. The fact is, your body is most responsive to what you give it in the morning. Overnight, you've fasted, your blood vessels are tight, your hydration is low, and your energy systems are waiting for instructions. The very first fuel you put in tells your body, open up those blood vessels, or keep them stiff, make testosterone, or let it drop, stabilize my energy for the day, or put me on the roller coaster of crashes and cravings. So let's be clear, breakfast isn't just breakfast, it's a message. The good news? By choosing wisely, you can flip the switch back on for stronger circulation, higher vitality, and the kind of steady energy that makes you feel like yourself again. Now, to make this practical, I want to share 3 foods I recommend to my patients over 50 who want to keep performing at their best. And I'll explain why each one works, biologically, emotionally, and practically. For those of you who are new here, my name is Dr. Jocelyn. I'm a board-certified urologist with 5 years of experience helping men protect their sexual health, their confidence, and their energy as they age. I can tell you this, I've sat across from hundreds of men who whispered the same thing to me in the exam room. Doc, I don't feel like the man I used to be. And I always reassure them, you're not broken, you're not done. You just need the right habits to match the season of life you're in. So with that, let's dive into the 3 morning foods I recommend most to men over 50. Food number 1, oats with ground flax seeds. Let's start with something simple, oatmeal. Most men think oats are boring, something your grandfather ate because it was healthy. But the truth is, a warm bowl of oats is one of the most powerful circulation boosters you can start your day with. Here's why. Biologically, oats are rich in L-arginine, an amino acid your body converts into nitric oxide, the very molecule your blood vessels use to relax and expand. As we age, our natural nitric oxide production declines. That's one hidden reason erections aren't as firm or reliable as they once were. Oats help fight back against that decline. Emotionally, when blood flows freely, you don't just perform better. You feel more alive, more confident, less worried about letdowns. Practically, you'll notice steadier energy, fewer mid-morning crashes, and more stamina through the day. Now, the magic multiplies when you add ground flax seeds. These tiny seeds pack omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and fiber. The omega-3s reduce inflammation and keep your blood smooth. The lignans help balance hormones, which can support mood and testosterone. And the fiber keeps your blood sugar stable so you're not riding a roller coaster of fatigue. Tip: choose steel-cut oats instead of instant packets. They digest slower, keeping your energy steady. And always grind flax seeds fresh because whole seeds pass through undigested. One bowl a few mornings a week isn't just fuel, it's training for your cardiovascular system. You're literally teaching your blood vessels to stay flexible and responsive. And over time, that adds up to stronger, more reliable performance where it matters most. Food number 2, eggs with spinach. Now let's move to the second powerhouse, eggs with spinach. Eggs have gotten a bad reputation over the years, but here's the reality. Biologically, eggs are rich in healthy cholesterol, the raw material your body uses to make testosterone. Without enough of it, testosterone declines faster, affecting your mood, muscle mass, and bedroom performance. They also pack protein and B12, which keep nerves sharp and muscles strong. Emotionally, when you start your day with protein, you feel fuller, steadier, and in control, not jittery or drained. That confidence carries into everything you do. Practically, stronger muscles mean better metabolism, better circulation, and better endurance, both in daily life and in intimate moments. Now, pair those eggs with spinach, and you've got something special. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, a mineral that relaxes blood vessels and plays a role in testosterone production. Men with higher magnesium levels consistently show better erections and more reliable performance. Spinach also contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin that protect blood vessel health, and it's alkaline forming, reducing inflammation throughout the body. How to prepare it? Lightly sauté spinach in olive oil for a minute, then add scrambled or poached eggs. The olive oil helps you absorb spinach's fat-soluble vitamins and adds heart-healthy fats. Add a pinch of chili flakes or black pepper if you want a little extra circulation boost. Gentlemen, this isn't just breakfast. This is hormone support, circulation protection, and muscle fuel, all in one pan. Food number 3, fresh watermelon. Now for the third food, one most men overlook, watermelon. Yes, it's sweet. Yes, it feels like a picnic food. But for men over 50, watermelon is a natural performance enhancer. Here's why. Biologically, watermelon is rich in citrulline, an amino acid your body converts into nitric oxide, the same pathway as oats. Citrulline works a lot like the active ingredients in certain performance pills, helping blood vessels dilate, but without side effects. Plus, it hydrates and replenishes electrolytes after a night of sleep. Emotionally, starting your day with something refreshing and hydrating sets a positive tone. You feel light, clean, and energized instead of weighed down. Practically, watermelon rehydrates your body, supports kidney function, and flushes out waste from your muscles, helping you recover faster and stay more active. Pro tip, pair it with fresh mint leaves. Mint aids digestion, freshens breath, and stimulates your senses. A subtle but powerful way to prime your body for energy and intimacy later in the day. And don't worry about the sweetness. Watermelon is over 90% water, so it won't spike your blood sugar the way other fruits can. This is one of those rare foods that tastes indulgent but works quietly behind the scenes to support your vitality. So here's your morning game plan. Start your week with oats plus ground flax to prime your circulation. Rotate in eggs plus spinach for testosterone, protein, and muscle support. Enjoy a serving of fresh watermelon to boost nitric oxide and hydration. Mix them up, find the balance that fits your routine. But whatever you do, make these foods part of your regular morning ritual. This isn't about one magical breakfast, it's about consistency. Day by day, you're training your body to stay strong, responsive, and confident. And let me remind you, age isn't the enemy, neglect is. Your body is still capable of strength, passion, and vitality. It just needs the right care. Every bite of these foods isn't just nutrition. It's an investment in your confidence, your independence, and your quality of life. Gentlemen, your best years are not behind you. They're waiting for you. In the choices you make today, in the foods you fuel your body with, in the care you show yourself each morning. So tomorrow when you sit down to breakfast, remember this isn't just about eating. This is about feeding the man you still are, strong, capable, and full of life. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more real talk about men's health, and share this video with a friend who could use the encouragement. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and I'll leave you with this. Your body isn't done. Your story isn't done. You're still in the game, and with the right fuel, you can play it stronger than ever.